Did you receive a notice in the mail from the Registry of Motor Vehicles saying your license is suspended due to an immediate threat related to drugs or alcohol? I'm attorney Tracy Paulson with Rightful Legal, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what this means and what you can do to fight for your license and to get it back in Massachusetts. An immediate threat suspension in Massachusetts means that the RMV believes your driving poses a serious safety risk to the public, often because of suspected impairment from alcohol, drugs, or possibly a medical event. It's important to note that this is not a criminal charge, although this can accompany a criminal charge. It's a civil administrative suspension. The police do not need to prove that you were convicted of anything. They just need a written report. If you receive a letter from the RMV, it likely says that your license is suspended immediately and indefinitely. In this case, you're going to need to do some things and take some action to get your license back. So what do you do if you've been suspended for drug or alcohol use? The registry will require you to show some evidence that shows you've taken proactive steps to rectify the problem from which the immediate threat arose. This may include a formal evaluation by a medical professional and a submission of a medical evaluation form. This may also include a substance abuse evaluation by a substance abuse professional who will write a formal letter for submission to the RMV or the Board of Appeals. You may also need to prove that you have not been using drugs through regular drug screens, such as a hair follicle or urine test. Other proactive steps you can take to help address the underlying issues and get your license back include treatment at a certified drug or alcohol facility, seeing a therapist regularly, and participation in groups such as Alcoholics Anonymous, and working with a sponsor. So what steps do you need to take? You'll need to schedule a hearing with the RMV, which can be conducted over the phone or in person. It's advisable to schedule a hearing as soon as you can, because during this hearing, the RMV will tell you what steps you need to take in order to get your license back. Now remember, the RMV can deny your reinstatement, but it doesn't end there. If the RMV denies you, you have the legal right to appeal to the Massachusetts Board of Appeals. This is your chance to present your full story, to show your recovery progress, your work history, medical documentation, and any other reason why reinstating your license is justified. The Board of Appeals is independent from the RMV, and they can overturn any decision or grant a hardship license, allowing you to drive to work, to your medical appointments, and also deal with the essential needs of life. If your license was suspended for an immediate threat, please don't try to navigate this process alone. It's very complex. We understand the burden of not having your license. It affects your family, your job. It makes everyday things very difficult. I've helped many clients through this daunting process get their license back as quick as possible without enduring unnecessary delays and the stress of trying to do this alone. If you have received an immediate threat suspension notice, please call me directly at 617-821-5856 or visit the link in the description to schedule a free confidential consultation. At Rightful Legal, we'll help you prepare, we'll represent you at hearings, and we'll fight for your right to get back on the road. Thank you.